Wait, is it even centered? I don't even know if it's centered. You know what? Whatever. Hey y'all, it's Angel and welcome back to the Chan. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you over 40 last-minute Halloween costume ideas. So if you're just like me and you're yet to decide on what you and your friends are going to be wearing for Halloween this year, I got you. Whether you're looking for individual costumes, duo costumes, group costumes, or couple costumes, I have a whole list of things that you can dress up for Halloween this year. So let's get right into the video. So we're first gonna start with our individual costume ideas. So if you want to go solo for Halloween this year, here are a list of solo Halloween ideas that you can do. You can be a ghost. I feel like this one's really easy and last minute. You can put a white blanket over you, cut out some eyes, and there you go. You could be an angel. This one is also easy in my opinion because all you need to do is buy some wings from Amazon or wherever you can find angel wings and wear like a white dress and you're good to go. Oh, and get a halo. I'm pretty sure on Amazon they'll have like one of those like packs like where you can get like the wing and the halo in like one pack. You could be a mummy, wrap yourself in toilet paper. You could be a cowgirl. If you're a country girl, something might be a little bit easier for you. All you need to do is find your best country fit, throw on a cowgirl hat, and there you have it. You could be Barbie. If you're pink obsessed, you could find an outfit in your closet that's all pink and kind of do your hair like how Barbie does it with like side part, and you could be Barbie for Halloween. You could be a vampire, so you could like find a black cape to put on, and if you want to go extra, you can like do like blood with like ketchup and then get one of those like teeth things. You could be a vampire. You could be a fairy, so you could go on Amazon and find some fairy wings and then just get a colorful dress. Maybe find a wand, DIY a wand, and there you go. You could be Vector, so if you have an orange jumpsuit and then get some black glasses, or if you don't have an orange jumpsuit, you could always find like, I don't know, some orange sweatshirts with like a long sleeved orange top and then find some black glasses and you could be Vector for Halloween. You could be a Cupid, so you could find a red little dress. You could DIY like little hearts onto the dress and get like you could like just DIY a little Cupid outfit. I'm sure there's some on YouTube. I'll link something if I find it in the description. You could be a black cat, so you can just find like an all black outfit. I would recommend wearing an all black jumpsuit, like the ones that you be seeing on like Skins and stuff. Or if you don't have one of those, you could get some black leggings and a black long sleeve, and then just get some cat ears. I'm sure you can find some at like Party City or something. The next thing that you could be for Halloween is an astronaut. And then you can find one of those if you wrap yourself up in aluminum foil, and then if you have like a goldfish bowl and you don't use your goldfish anymore, I mean like your goldfish died or something, you put it over your head and then the last thing that you could be is Dora. I feel like this one's pretty simple. If you have the right colored clothing, all you need to do is, what does Dora even wear? Wait, hold up. So all you need to do is you need to find some orange shorts, pink shirt, and then if you have a purple backpack, that's all you need to do. And then if you already have short brown hair, that's perfect. You've nailed the Dora look and you could be Dora for Halloween. Okay, so that's all of the individual costume ideas, and now we're gonna move on to the duo or the couple outfit ideas. I think this one's a really fun one. You could do this as a couple or with your bestie. You could be a prisoner and a guard. So basically one person dresses up as a prisoner, one person dresses up as a guard, and the prisoner can wear an all orange jumpsuit and the guards can just dress up like a guard, wear all black or something. I don't know. This one's a little bit more easier if you already cheer or your boyfriend or something already plays football, but you could be a cheerleader and a football player. And if you want to make it a little bit more funnier, you could switch roles. So like your boyfriend can be the cheerleader and you can be the football player. The next outfit idea we have is a black and white swan. So let's say you want to be a black swan, you just find a black leotard. If you do dance, this one's probably a little bit easier, but I feel like if you wore like a black leotard and maybe like a black tutu, and then you kind of like just make it I don't know. I feel like it could work if you really like tried to put effort into the costume. You could be a tooth fairy and a dentist. So one person can just dress up like a fairy and then hold a toothbrush. The other person, you can just like wear a scrub and be a dentist. You could be Cosmo and Wanda. You can dress up in an all pink outfit, and then the other person can dress up in an all green outfit. You could DIY like a little yellow crown to put on top of your heads and like little wands. Okay, the last category that we're gonna move on to is the group outfit ideas. So the first thing you can do is you can be the Euphoria cast. If you watch Euphoria, or I'm sure you've seen like the Pinterest Euphoria vibe looks, they're all about those euphoric holographic colors. So if you have any like holographic dresses or accessories, you and your friend group can just like be the Euphoria cast, or if you want to dress up as a specific person, you can do that too. You could do a through the decades outfit. So there's two ways that you can do this. The first way is you could choose a year and everyone in your friend group just does that year. So you could choose like the 80s, and then everyone in your friend group dresses up like you're from the 80s, or you could do the 60s, everyone dresses up like they're from the 60s. Or I've never seen someone do this, I'm sure it's been done before, but this is just something I've thought about. You could do through the decades, which means each person in your friend group dresses up as a different year. So one person can dress up like they're from the 50s, and next from the 60s, another from the 70s, another 80s, another 90s, and so on. You can dress up like the Powerpuff Girls. I feel like this one could be kind of easy if you all have plain color dresses and black tape. So what I would do personally if I was doing this, let's say Blossom's a pink one. Okay, so let's say I was dressing up like Blossom. I would find like a pink dress, and then I would get like black duct tape and put it around the dress. Then I'd find like a pink bow to put on my hair, and then if I was being like Bubbles, I would find a blue dress, black duct tape. I don't think she wears a bow. I'd do my hair in two pigtails, and then what was the other one? And then if I was being Buttercup, I would just find a green dress, find a black like duct tape to put around, or like even like a black ribbon to tie around it. And like, just if you have short black hair, that'll be a lot easier. You could dress up like the Mean Girls characters. They're all about pink, wearing pink. So if you have any like pink dresses, you know, pink accessories, you could just, you and your friend group can dress up in all pink and be the Mean Girls for Halloween. And then the last thing that you can be is you can be robbers. For this one, you could just dress up in all black and then get one of those like black masks with the eye cutouts. I feel like it'd be really pretty if you did like colorful robbers, like dress up in all pink and then do like the pink mask and then like hold money or something. I feel like that'd be pretty cute. So those are the Halloween costume ideas that I feel like would be easier to put together and easy for last minute. But if you have a little bit more time on your hands, or you have some time to order some costumes, here are a few costumes that I think would be great for Halloween this year. A circus girl. This one I don't see a lot, but I feel like it's really creative, and I think it's also really unique because not many people do it, but it still looks so good. So you just dress up like you're from the circus. You could be Elmo, you could be Harley Quinn, and then you could be an astronaut. And for the duo ones, you could be Kim Possible and Ron, you can be Buzz and Woody, you can be Catwoman and Batman, you can be Tinkerbell and the Frog. You can be Tinkerbell and Peter Pan, or you could be Tiana and the Frog, or you can be Tiana and the Prince. For the group ones, you could do the Stranger Things cast. You could dress up like the Avengers. You could dress up like Victoria's Secret Angels. Actually, this one is one that I feel like would be easier like for a last minute one if you already have like the Victoria's Secret stuff. This one's also easy too. You could be Sun, Moon, and Stars. So one person can wear like an all silver dress and be like the moon, and then one person can wear like a yellow dress and be the sun, and then one person can wear like a gold dress and be the star. And then you can just like cut out like little pictures of the sun, moon, and star and like tape it or something to your costume. You could be Bratz dolls, you could be the Cheetah Girls, you could be the Spice Girls, you could be Power Rangers, you could be Strawberry Shortcake characters, you could be Disney princesses, and you could be Care Bears. So those are all the Halloween costume ideas that I have for you this year. I really hope that you guys are able to find something in there that you like, or something that is easy for you you and your friend group to put together. As of when I'm filming this, Halloween is in a few days, so I hope you guys have a very, very happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.